I'll be showing you how to withdraw your USDT from the Stakonomy Node Mining app. All right, before we go ahead with that, I want you to understand that your earning is daily. So every 3 days you can withdraw once you have up to $5 in your account. And for my own account, I started with $100 mining. So I've already had up to $5. Every month I'm expected to get $21. So let's go ahead and look at what to do. First, we go to my wallet. So go to my Trust wallet. I created an account for this particular mining alone. You can see it here, Stakonomy wallet, okay? And then you can see USDT here, which is in BNB BSC chain. So you have $0 here. So let's look at. So for me to get there, first of all, click on that USDT and click receive. So I click receive here and copy the address. So when I copy the address, I go to my mining platform. Now take a look here. You can see that this is stakonomy.org. Sorry, thing just moved. Okay, stakonomy.org/node. Okay, this is operators node operator dashboard. Okay, so that you know that I'm in my live account. That's why I'm showing you this. So my class is delegator and it's connected. I have mine for about 6 days now. You have 359 days left. So let me still scroll down. Every day I'm earning 10.5 or thereabout stako coin. So for the 6 days I already have 60.1191998, and then I have USDT 5.2. So that is it. For me to withdraw on daily basis, okay, this is what I'm earning. Stako 10.033, while USDT is 0.7. That's every day. So every month I'll be earning stako about 300 stako coin and 21 USDT. So let's go to my assets. I click on my asset, and then you now see a space that says this is direct deposit, this is withdrawal wallet. So I paste my withdrawal wallet there. Then how much USDT do I want to withdraw? Let me say 5 out of that 5.2, and then I click withdraw. Can you see that USDT withdrawal recorded? Okay, so it has automatically gone now. Okay, so I have gone. Let me go to my overview and see if anything had left. Can you see USDT now left 0.2 because it was 5.2. So out of the 5.2, now 5 has gone. We are left with 0.2. So let's go to my wallet. Remember that when we started, my wallet was 0. So let's go to my wallet and see if anything has come in, if I successfully withdrawn the money. Okay. Can you see this? Received 20th May, 11:17. 11:18, my time here, 11:18. Look at it here on the top left and look at the time this morning I arrived, 11:17. So within a space of 1 minute, the money has landed in my account. So you can see it here now. Oh, sorry. You know, this thing is sensitive. Once you want to touch it, it will. So we have this money in my account already. That is it. So if you want to, this is a very cool way for you to make money. Remember that this one does not need you to get referrals before you can earn. Once you set up your node, you start earning money automatically. But if you get some people who you referred and they also set up node, you can get referral bonus. But it is not, your earning is not dependent on referral bonus. That is it. So if you want to make money and then you have something kept somewhere, instead of leaving that money dormant in your account or idle, you can use it to do your node mining. And this mining will continue until the day you ask it to stop. You have 3 months, you have 6 months, you have 1 year. At the end of the period you set up, you withdraw your capital too. Remember, you are already withdrawing your earnings every 3 days. So guys, that is it. Thank you, and see you again in my next video.